Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Vertical and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, we need to press and hold the upper button and keep holding it for about 12 to 15 seconds. And after that we can release the button. So let's press and hold the button. After some time the screen will turn off. Keep holding the button for a couple more seconds and then you can release the button. And after you release the button, the watch should vibrate. And now we need to wait until the watch is done rebooting. It will take more than a couple of seconds. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.